Hello guys, good day to all and happy weekend. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest weather analysis for this Saturday to Monday, April 29 to May 1st, 2023. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Now College Foundation, Typhoon Preparedness Center, Avenue Plaza Hotel, Aboitiz Power, and Bank of the Philippine Islands. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Saturday, and this is valid for the next 2 days. We have the return of the warm Easterlies, and alongside with the surface trough, and this is the remnants of once tropical depression Sanvu, which is now a part of the surface trough, and these easterlies are generating some thunderstorms from Bicol region down to eastern Visayas and northeastern Mindanao. That includes the provinces of Dinagat, Siargao, and Surigao del Norte, including Cagayan de Oro and Misamis Oriental. So we expect thunderstorms to occur during this 2-day span. The rest of the Philippine Islands, particularly Mindanao, we have afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms, but throughout the country it will remain hot and dry, except for some isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening across Cagayan Valley. And we will show to you the latest satellite animation, wherein increasing thunderstorm activity can be observed in the latest one of the satellite animation. And outside of PAR, we have 2 more troughs, which is not yet expected to become a low pressure system. So right now there are no LPAs or tropical cyclone in sight for the next 5 days. And again, watch out for possible flash floods and landslides when we have severe thunderstorms accompanied by these warm easterlies and surface trough across Mindanao. While across the Philippine Islands, don't forget to drink lots of fluids, lots of water to counter this high heat index, which could reach as high as 50 degrees in some areas, but on the average it's around 40 to 48 degrees. Okay, and so far that's the latest from GovSat. Here's the fast animation. So these are afternoon thunderstorms developing across the eastern sections of the country and also across Mindanao. And if we could see the increasing thunderstorms in this zoom one, this is the zoom satellite from windy.com, you can clearly see the whole of Mindanao is being engulfed by this very strong thunderstorms, multiple thunderstorms or clusters of thunderstorms across this tropical rainforest island. And as what I've said, these are localized thunderstorms also across Cagayan Valley. So please take all necessary precautions, especially those living in open spaces, for possible lightning strikes generated by these severe thunderstorms. Here's the forecast for the next 3 days from windy.com. This is from the European model. This is the wind and pressure forecast. For tomorrow afternoon, Sunday, we expect still the easterlies prevailing across the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and Mindanao. Mindanao will also be experiencing some surface trough generated by the remnants of tropical depression Sanvu. Just a surface trough, but starting to circulate counterclockwise. And on Monday afternoon, the circulation of one's Sanvu is trying to become a shallow LPA as it is embedded within the surface trough, and the usual easterlies will continue to prevail across the eastern sections of the country, penetrating across Mimaropa, Visayas, and central Luzon, including Calabarzon. So expect some light winds from the east. And as for the rain forecast for the next 3 days, tomorrow afternoon, Sunday, we could experience the island of Mindanao will still experience some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms because of the surface trough generated by the remnants of tropical depression Sanvu. And Easterlies will also bring some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across Visayas and portions of the Bicol region. Some local thunderstorms will also be expected across the mountainous areas of Cordillera and the Benguet. Also across the mountainous areas of Zambales, the mountainous areas of Abra, Ilocos provinces, as well as some portions of Cagayan Valley. And on Monday afternoon, we expect another round of thunderstorm activity across the island of Mindanao. These are isolated to scattered ones, and also across central and southern Palawan. And over the mountainous areas of Cordillera Administrative Region, which includes Ilocos region, and also some localized thunderstorms will be expected across the Ilocos and Cordillera regions. So please take all necessary precautions against lightning strikes, flooding, and landslides. So there you go. That's the latest from our rain forecast. So that ends our update. We will return next week for more updates on the weather from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying good day to all. Stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel.